In this video, we're just going to quickly go through question 7 from the Growth and Decay Foursquare. The problem states the population of a small town is 20,000 now and expected to grow at an annual rate of 5% per year. So let's answer our 4 questions here. Is this exponential growth or decay? Well, this word here, expected to grow, so this is growth. To write a model for growth, we're going to use the a times 1 plus r to the t because we're growing, we're getting bigger. Remember, for decay, you'll go 1 minus. So to write our actual model for b, what we need to know is our a and our r. A is the initial amount, so it's 20,000. And our rate is our rate of change, so 5%. Rate is easy to find. It's going to be the one with the percent. But don't forget, you need to make sure to write it as a decimal. So move that decimal to the left 2 places, so 0.05. So using my model, I'm going to replace A with 20,000. I'm going to replace R with 0.05. The y stays y and the t stays t. So remember, the model is the equation that you can use to make predictions. Because I can add in here, I'm going to go ahead and do that. So my model here is y equals 20,000 times 1.05 to the t. For C, we're doing just a quick sketch, and we're talking super quick sketch. So in C, I'm just going to draw the first quadrant because the negatives don't make sense. Time is our independent variable. Population is our dependent variable. My initial amount is 20,000. I'm not worried about scale or anything. This is growth, so we're going to be on the whoosh side of our exponential function. So we're doing super quick sketch there. And then for D, what is the population after 10 years? So what we've done there is we've been given T. Round the answer to the nearest whole number. So we are going to do y equals, I'm using my model here to make my prediction. I'm replacing T with 10. And then what I want to do is go to my calculator. Okay, so once I have my calculator, I'm just going to plug this in exactly as I see it. So 20,000 times 1.05 to the, so the x to the y, that's how we do the exponent, 10 equals, I was told to round to the nearest whole number, which is the 7. So I look to the right, the 8 tells us to round up. So my answer here is going to be 32,578. And we are talking in a small town, so this would be people. So we used our model here. First, deciding whether it's growth or decay, look for your keyword. Choose the appropriate model. They're the same, except growth is going to be plus, decay is going to be minus. Writing your model, filling in your initial amount and your rate of change, doing what's inside your parentheses. To make your prediction, you'll just simply plug in that value for t. And that is all there is. You want to try number 8 on your own and then come check correct it with me.